Hi friends, on this bag making I'm using jeans material and this satin material. That will be the lining and this will be the main bag. So the measurement that I'll be using today is 22 by 16 inch. That will be for the two. It's 22 by 16 inch. So I'll be sewing this is the main, the base, the side, the upper side. All of them are on the same fabric. So as we go ahead, I will show you what and what I did. I told you what is here is 22 by 16 inch. So from 22 by 16 inch, now the next thing I will do is to add a zipper cloth here and here. Then after that, the next thing follows. Now let's go ahead and do that. Let's go. So coming at this place now, this is the lining that I'll be using. So this is the good side of the lining. I've ironed it. Then the zip will be here this way. Watch me. Then this one will come here. That's the good side facing this good side of the bag. So they are in opposite side. So now I'll add this one this way. Then I'll add this on top of it here. Then I'll go ahead and sew it. So coming here, it will be this way now. Then I'll turn it this way. I'll just leave it this way for now. Then I'll turn this one. I'll turn it again here, this way. Then I'll go ahead and add this one for this side. So the same thing I did on the other side that I will do here. So after sewing it this way now, I'll go ahead and turn it this way. Then I'll fold it this way now. Then I'll go ahead and sew this side also. So after sewing it, it will be this way now. Then the next thing I will do is to go ahead and I add the zip head here. So I'll add the zip head here. So after adding the zip head on this bag this way, this is how it will be. So it will be this way now. So it will be this way. Then the next thing I will do, I will now go ahead and get the middle of this by opening this way, the zip here and this one here. So it will be this way now. This is the middle of this, and coming here, this is the middle of this. I've notched it already. So I'll turn it this way, making sure that the zip and the middle. So after turning it this side, I will now go ahead and sew here and I'll sew this side also. Let me go ahead and do that now. So at this point now, I will now go ahead and measure 2.5 inch here. So I'll measure 2.5 inch here now. Then here I will measure 3 inch. Then I'll go ahead and do the same thing here. I'll do this at this side also. So coming here, I will now go ahead and cut here out. So this is how it will be after cutting it here. So coming at this point now, I forgot to add the handle here. This handle will be here this way. So let me go ahead. I will open some parts here at the zipper side that zip close. So I'll go ahead and add the handle, then I'll stitch it again. So after adding the handle on the bag will be this way. Then I will turn this one that I've cut it here. I'll turn it this way here. So I'll turn it this way. Then I'll go ahead and sew it here. After sewing this bag, let's go ahead and open the bag we have sewn now so that we'll see the shape and the size of our bag. So after making the bag, this is the bag that I have sewn now. I've added some certain things inside so to make the bag to look so beautiful and nice. This is the bag. So thanks so much for watching.